High-performance ceramic grinding stone delivers a consistent grind. Adjustable for coarse or fine grinding. Easy to fill screw-on cap. Kuhn Rikon Mini Vase Grinder, mini design goes from countertop to tabletop. Grind salt, pepper, dried herbs, spices and flax seeds in an instant. High-performance ceramic grinding stone delivers a consistent grind and adjustable for coarse or fine grinding. Top reviews from the United States. The best pepper grinder ever made. This is by far the best pepper grinder in the world. It is dependable, keeps working forever. Years ago I bought one, the kitchen size, which is larger, at one of the bargain stores, and my son stole it from me. I bought one of these smaller, table size, grinders for him, and I had to purchase the larger size right from the company. This is by far the best grinder you will ever use. A lot of control with the coarseness of the grind.